Oh my god. Before we get into the video, I just want to show y'all something.
Now you need to know what we've been riding this whole time. It is modified.
I've been doing this since I was 10 years old. Sorry, I don't want to be that guy. So, did I start this trend? Razor MX650s? Sir, I'm calling you out. Let's do a video together, but I've been doing this since I was 10. Oh. Anyway, enjoy the video. The Razor is way too torquey. Opposite of that, it is way too fast. Doesn't have enough torque. Also, I'm not comfortable going like 50 miles an hour on like a little kid's toy, basically. But I'm gonna put the stock Sprocket back on. Right now, I have a 55 tooth on. I believe this is like an 80 or something like that. One problem though, it'd be wet, so let's set up a little tent. I don't like watching people do boring stuff probably just as much as you don't like watching people do boring stuff. So, lucky for me, and magic, I was gonna set up this tent because it's like raining, but it's not raining. Wow. Stock Sprocket right here. Compared to the Sprocket that I was using, this small one was not giving me enough torque and too fast for comfort. I've done some pretty crazy speedy things. But I want more torque, I want to trail ride and whatnot, so we're going to reinstall this. I had to make the chain longer, but who wants to see that? I gotta bang this out to fit my big old battery. One sweet thing I did with this battery was make the terminals swappable. Now we have an XT90 on there. Now I did test the bike out on the trails when I had the smaller Sprocket on there, and just listen to how bogged down it gets. Like, it's pulling way too much current, not enough torque. The motor and controller got super hot, so this is why I decided to change it. We're at 99 state of health, state of charge, 4.13 volts per cell, supercharged. Oh my gosh, okay, a lot more torque. I definitely worked that out. Oh my god, I almost lost it. It is so wet out right now. slippery. Little puddle. my god. Slid down the hill. Oh my gosh. I'll just gas it, the back wheel's gonna spin. Bro, what is this? A full-on river. Nice. This is pretty steep. Thank you guys for watching the trail riding with the new setup. Really appreciate all your support. If you enjoy what I'm doing and you like to watch these videos, feel free to check out the channel, subscribe, like, all that jazz. I also do have a Patreon on my channel page if you're feeling that type of support. But honestly, anything really helps. So thank you guys so much for watching. You'll see more from us. Peace.